Hi guys, welcome to my channel Luiza's Kitchen, and today I want to make another one famous Russian cake, and name for this cake Nun'S. So we have here flour already sifted, and how much flour we need I will tell you later. I have here 12 ounces of sour cream, 1 cup and 1 tablespoon of butter. We have here 6 ounces of sugar. I have here 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We're gonna put vanilla extract 1 teaspoon. And I have here cherries. I will tell you later how many cherries, how many jars we will need, because we have different sizes. This is, I have bowl here with a strainer for my cherries. For now I'm gonna put aside. And first I'm gonna start from sour cream. I take all my sour cream and put in a bowl. And it's always better to put baking powder to our sour cream, that it start make reaction and will start working. Now we can add our sugar. Stir all our sugar with sour cream. Now we're gonna add our salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and we're gonna add our butter. I'm gonna stir this well till well combined. And now we're gonna add our flour. Three cups. This is 4th. Now I'm gonna take our plastic wrap. I'm gonna put my dough here. Try not put too much flour. So I have 4 cups. So try make nice flat disc. I put in the freezer for half hour. I'm gonna prepare our cherries. This is cherries, I have like Maraschino cherries, and put here through the strainer. I got my dough from the freezer. You can see how it gets harder. I'm gonna put a little bit flour on our working table. To make easy for me, I'm gonna divide my dough. I have here the baking sheet, and I have here parchment paper. I put just in case spread with my butter. The size of my baking sheet, I have here like 11.5, almost by 15. Almost 12" of the length and almost 3" wide. So I'm gonna make it like that. Lined up my pieces dough, and we're gonna put right on center. We're gonna put cherries. Depend on size of the cherries, it can be between 10 and 15 for this my length, and we just put like that close together, and we just try to hide these cherries inside. We're gonna make stick together ends like that. We don't want to see the open seam. We're doing the same thing with all of them like that. I make my baking sheet, and I have 8 cherry sticks here. So I'm gonna put in the oven, preheated oven. When you see it start getting light golden color, then you have to take them out. While this is baking, I'm gonna make this more because I need 15 pieces. You can see the first baking sheet is ready. This is the golden color we have to have. And I'm gonna put in the oven my second sheet that was baked 40 minutes. As you can see, I put here all my cherry sticks. And now we're gonna make cream. And for the cream, I have here 2 cups of sour cream, 1 can of condensed sweet milk, and I have 1 stick of butter, very soft. I'm gonna put my butter in my mixing bowl. If you notice, I don't have sugar powder or sugar because condensed sweet milk already sweet and we don't want to get too sweet. I'm gonna beat my butter on a low speed till it's get nice, soft and fluffy. Gradually we're gonna add our condensed sweet milk. Now you can see we have nice fluffy cream, and now I'm gonna start adding my sour cream. So this is what our cream. You can see it's all get nice fluffy. Okay, now we're gonna start put together our cake. So we have first layer will be 5 sticks, the next layer will be 4, then 3, 2 and 1. So now I'm gonna put cream on top. Don't be greedy on the cream. You have to put a lot of cream to make nice soft our cake. So now we're gonna put 3. So you understand the process how we're doing. 5 cherry sticks on the bottom, then 4, then 3, 2 and 1, and it's going like that, like house. I'm gonna continue to finish in my cake, and then I will show you when we will be done. So you can see, guys, how it comes up. I want to wait a little bit when it's cream get a little bit stable. Then we're making decoration on top with chocolate. And now I'm gonna make decoration, just a little bit simple decoration with chocolate. And I have here already, I cut the chocolate. I left piece to show you. I'm using tools like that. It's better than knife. And you just take your chocolate and cut pieces like that. And it's what comes up beautiful like that. Chocolate pieces, which we're gonna put right on top our cake. So like that it comes up. With chocolate pieces we cover all our cake, and you can see how it comes up beautiful. This is our non-house cake. It have to be stay overnight to get more nice, soft and moist. Tomorrow I'm gonna cut and show you how it's look inside.